Hello and welcome to my 9th C programming tutorial, and what we are going to do today is return types. Now return types are basically, okay, int main, alright? That is the return type. And if you notice in the previous tutorials where you got always confused, you're wondering, oh look, return, damn, okay, return. What is happening here is, alright, okay. What do you call the function, alright? You normally don't call the main function, but this is a very terrible example. But here, normally when you call a method, function, not a method, a function, you normally want to get something back, alright? Now, here we say print the number, but normally we don't really want to print the number. We actually want to get that number, and getting that number, all you need to do is return. Give it an integer return type. Now it will have to return a number, and I will just type return and then number. Alright, now that's all. Now, this may seem very confusing, but I'm gonna go through it a lot of times. So, what is happening here? It says declare the integer number, add them, and return the number. Now, what is happening here is basically, okay, when we call this function, alright, when we call it, we are expecting it to return something. We are expecting it to return it. So what we want to have is return the number. Now basically, add 1 plus 1, this function is now an integer type. Alright, so when we call it, it will always give us back the number. Now to show you what this actually means, we can do this. 1 plus 1 is, and then we do add 1 plus 1. Now we can just delete this, and then we debug and run. Alright, it says 1 plus 1 is, okay, I forgot my brackets there. There we go. Debug, start debugging, yes. Oh damn, wait, sorry guys. There we go, embarrassing. Run it. Now 1 plus 1 is, damn, I got it wrong. Oh, right, I forgot my %d. Oh, I'm making so many mistakes today. Alright. Yes. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. Now, what is happening here is, okay, it first prints 1 plus 1 is blah, blah, blah. And then it says add 1 plus 1. Now, here it calls the function, like I taught you last time. Does all this code, and then returns the number. Now returning the number basically means now that add 1 plus 1, this function is equal to 2. Alright, because 1 plus 1 is 2. Basically means add 1 plus 1 is 2. Now, you're saying, alright, so add 1 plus 1 is basically sort of an integer now. Can you manipulate it or anything? Yes, you can. So I can say int 2 plus 3. Alright, can make, alright, I forgot, you cannot start your plus 3. Alright, and all you need to do is add 1 plus 1. Alright, wait, I'll do 2 plus 3 equals add 1 plus 1, and then plus, okay, 3. Okay, now that basically means it looks like add 1 plus 1 plus 3. This basically means, okay, add 1 plus 1 is actually 2, because it basically represents 2, because the return type is basically an integer and it represents a 2. Now 2 plus 3, so now it represents a 2, we plus 3, so now it should be 2 plus 3 is 5, right? So let's see if that actually worked. Alright, now, and look at that, 2 plus 3 is 2. Wow. something wrong there again. We had type 2 plus 3. Alright, debug, start with debugging. Yes, and 2 plus 3 is 5. Now, as you can see, what we did here is 2 plus 3 equals add 1 plus 1 plus 3. And basically, this is a function and it returns 2. Basically, now this represents a 2, and then we can add 3 to it. And that is my tutorial on return types, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.